How to fix Meta AI not showing on Messenger. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Meta AI showing again in your Messenger app. So if it's missing or not appearing, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Messenger app on your phone. Tap on the menu, the three lines icon in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap App Updates. Make sure Auto Update Messenger is turned on. Next, open the Play Store and search for Messenger. If an update is available, go ahead and update the app. Now let's clear the app data. Go back to your phone's home screen, press and hold the Messenger app icon, and tap the I icon. Then go to Storage and tap Clear Data, then Clear Cache, followed by OK to confirm. Now go back to App Info page, then tap Force Stop, then Confirm. Finally, open Messenger again. You should now see Meta AI available in your app. And that's it! Following these steps resets everything needed for Meta AI to appear. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.